Hey everyone, it's Derek with Auto Replay back again, and we are going to replace the windshield washer nozzle. Pretty simple. Let's take a look at it. All right, so I ordered these off of Amazon. It's a pair of them. Here's the part number 55079049AA. Windshield washer nozzle. Mainly this one right here is the one that is broken. I'll pop the hood and show you, because I had a loose hose. I didn't know what it was until, long story short, I went online. People were like, oh my God, you know, like, I just want to make sure it wasn't a vacuum line or something, but I'll show you what's going on. One thing, I did grab my trim removal kit from the storage unit, so that's going to be helpful. All right, so we're going to pop the hood. All right, so normally, you know, you put the hood here, but we're going to be removing this felt trim that's underneath the top of the hood, I guess. And right now I got the bar just sticking over here for now. Hopefully that'll keep it up without banging me on the head. But basically this hose was laying loose like this, and I just want to make sure it wasn't like a vacuum line or something. You know, I want, you know, newer car, who knows what it might be, but it's actually going to the washer nozzle on the driver's side. And this piece is broken there, so I'm gonna have to pry that out, but basically it goes to this one right here. So let's go ahead and remove the felt trim. We'll get a removal tool and go from there. While I'm working on this, I think I'm gonna put the hood prop back until we need it over there. So let's put that back. I got this removal tool here. It should be able to go underneath, just slides like that, and you just pry it out. So let's see if I can get that to come out just like that. So just want to place these right here for now. So we're going to go around to each side and basically just remove them. Basically, go ahead and get this out of the way like that. And you can buy new ones of those if they end up becoming an issue. So let me go ahead. Looks like there's one here, there's one there, there was one here, there's some on the sides. We're missing some, so I may have to look at getting, you know, a couple of them, you know. So mainly two on the side. It looks like maybe two on the front, one there, then one in the middle, then two in the back. So let's go ahead and get those removed. All right, so I removed all the trim pop-on button things. End up putting that hood prop just right here. The felt is laying here. So now you can actually see inside to where the windshield washer nozzles are, and see that that one's actually broken from here. So basically, it looks like the way these come out, there's two little tabs right here, which I may have to get some pliers or something to squeeze them and get them to come out. So basically you squeeze it here and there and they pop out of place. So mainly just took a pair of child locks and, you know, just grab them here. If they break, I mean, I'll replace them anyway, and then it'll come out the top just like, well, just like that. Do the other side. All right, so I got both of them removed from both spots. I mean, this one just, I tried to take it out, just bust it. Now I got to get this point out of this side and this side. So I'm looking to see if I got like a small screwdriver that could maybe pry that out. So basically I twisted this side off of that side, and I just have like a little flathead screwdriver, and I'm just picking everything out. And then I'm taking my mouth and blowing it clean out, and you see all the little bits are coming out, so that we have a good clean connection. All right, so I got everything clean with this line, and now we're going to go ahead and install the new ones in place. And basically you just take them, just slowly position them to go back inside. Hopefully this will slide in there. Go in there. There we go. And just snap them in place. So this is going to be the passenger side. Snaps in place. We got both of them installed. And basically reverse, you know, we're going to connect this back to there, which I can't do with one hand, and then connect them back to the windshield washer nozzles. All right, now that we got everything reconnected to the new nozzles, I went and slid this back in here, and that looks like we got a little bit of a loop right here, but by the time I put that felt material back up, it'd be fine. All right, so I started with the middle one, so hold the felt material, then I'm gonna go around the outer edges and reinstall it, and we'll test it out. So now we're gonna test it out and see. Wait, that's the lights. Oh, you know this car. Hey, look at there. We got windshield nozzle spraying on both sides now. That's how you repair that. All right, so appreciate y'all checking in this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.